Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making pulao. It has two steps. First we make the broth and then we make the rice. So I have this chicken bones here. I'm going to put the water there. We're going to make a broth. Pulao is like rice cooked in broth. Okay, I'm going to put one onion, one garlic. And then we are going to put some coriander, whole coriander, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of anise. This gives a nice aroma. And then I have some, okay, we have here allspice, big cardamom, some cloves, a little bit cumin, and some black pepper and cinnamon sticks. We are going to put all of that here. Okay, and then we are going to put some salt. Maybe a tablespoon. That's it. We're going to let it cook for an hour or 2. Okay, this is the step 2 of the pulao. We're gonna wash the rice. I have a glass and full and a little bit more. And the broth should be double the size of the amount you have rice because it's basmati. So we're gonna brown the onion. I squeezed out the garlic that we boiled with the bones and I separated them from the broth. I have broth here. And then I have some garam masala and bay leaf. Cinnamon sticks. To wash the rice. Okay, this is starting to get brown. Just slightly brown. We don't need to make it too brown. I'm going to put garam masala and bay leaf here. And cumin seeds, I forgot to tell you. Whole bunch of cumin seeds. Put a little bit of coriander powder, a little bit salt, that goes very fast. The garlic. Mix the yogurt a little bit and put that in there. Cook it for about a couple of minutes. I am peeling a little ginger. I am going to put that with everything. I forgot about this completely. Brown that with everything. Start putting our broth. Let it boil and then we are going to put the rice. been cooking for a while. They are not all the way cooked. There's just a little bit water left. That's when we put the dum, which is cover of the lid of the pot with the wet cloth. And then we are going to keep it on low heat for 10-15 minutes. Here is the finally done rice. It's called pulao, and we eat it with the meat dish, usually korma, chicken korma, lamb korma, or kofte. I made kofte this time, and with the boiled eggs. So pour the sauce over it and enjoy it. It's a tomato and yogurt sauce. Thank you for watching the video.